We all spend a lot of time in front of screens these days, whether it's working on a computer or scrolling through our phones. But did you know that prolonged screen time can lead to eye fatigue and even weaken your eyesight over time? The good news is that there are things you can do to prevent this. Here are some tips to keep your eyes healthy and improve your eyesight. First, take regular breaks from your screen. Every 20 minutes, look away from your screen and focus on something in the distance for 20 seconds. This will help reduce eye strain and fatigue. Second, hold your phone or other electronic device at arm's length. This will reduce the strain on your eyes and help prevent eye fatigue. Another tip to protect your eyes from electronic devices is to adjust the brightness and contrast of your screen. A screen that is too bright or too dim can strain your eyes, so find the right balance that works for you. Additionally, make it a habit to perform regular eye exercises. These can help improve your eyesight and reduce eye strain. Here's some simple exercises you can try. Look straight ahead and focus on an object in the distance. Then, without moving your head, look to the right as far as you can. Hold for 5 seconds, then look back to the center. Repeat on the left side. Imagine a large figure 8 in front of you and trace it with your eyes. Repeat in the opposite direction. Hold a small object close to your face and then focus on a distant object. Alternate between the two for a few minutes. Blink your eyes rapidly for a few seconds and then close your eyes and relax for a few seconds. Repeat for a few minutes. Furthermore, it's a good idea to think about getting blue light blocking glasses. These glasses are specially designed to reduce eye strain and protect your eyes from the harmful blue light that comes from electronic devices. They have unique lenses that block out the harmful blue light, making your screen time more comfortable and helping to prevent issues like eye fatigue and dryness. Remember, taking care of your eyes is important for your overall health and well-being. By following these simple tips, you can help prevent eye fatigue and improve your eyesight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips and advice on Skillshare TV.